Hi guys!
Hey!
Welcome back to Honest Try TV with Nicole and
Jason, what up?
and today we are going to be reviewing Boba Bam Instant Boba Pack in the brown sugar flavor from Costco. So we picked this up a couple of days ago for, I don't know, 13, 14 bucks.
We were surprised that they even had it. We were like, look at that!
We saw it and it started freaking out because we really love boba. We spent a lot of money on boba, too much. So we're very excited to see, hopefully, a cheaper, good alternative to going out all the time to buy it ourselves. So we're going to try making this and then we'll review it and let you know what we think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment, question, concern, recommendation down below. All right, so let's open this up and see what we got. It's sealed here. Jason, can you grab me some scissors? There's some tape right here.
Oh, there is? Okay, cool.
Yeah. Tape.
There we go.
Thank you, kind sir. A little tamper tape removed. All right, so this is what we've got inside. We've got Boba straws.
Nice.
Several of those. They're stacked up here on the side as well. And then you have your package. It's currently frozen because we just popped this out the freezer of Boba. One for me, one for Jason. This is what they look like. And there are 12 along with their straws.
Sweet.
In the box. So then I'll stick these back in. I don't need these. I'm a professional boba drinker.
She is this is true. Check this out.
Ta-da!
That's a metal straw.
One for me, one for Jason.
Hey.
And yes, it does have a little holder thing because I'm a
hardcore.
professional. So yeah, we've already got our gear. I don't need.
That's how you know we eat drink a lot of boba.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. It's pretty bad.
Man, it was so. At one point, we almost like every other day we were getting it.
Yeah,
it was nuts.
It's bad. Okay. No. Okay, so we've got two set of instructions here. You've got microwave and stovetop. Jason, which one you want to take?
I'll do the stovetop.
All right, so I'll do microwave. So we're gonna try each and compare the flavors and see if there's any difference. This is good for 2 years. That's nice.
Dang.
All right, so let's go. So for me, I'm going to cut this open, place it in the cup, place it in the microwave for 45 to 60 minutes, add a cup of ice, add a cup of milk, and stir, and you're done.
Sweet.
All right, so for Jason,
what am I doing?
He's going to boil it in water for 3 to 5 minutes, then add his cup of ice, 1 cup of milk, stir and enjoy.
It looks like I just put in the bag, the whole bag, the entire thing, just dump it in there. And you have to cut yours?
I cut mine and dump the content.
In the cup.
Or wait. Do I dump it? It says cut boba packet and place in cup.
Oh, I guess not. You just cut it.
So I think I just cut it, but I don't dump the content because based on the picture, it looks like they're putting the packet in the cup.
I hope these are, they should be microwavable friendly, right? No leaching off.
No BPA, you mean?
Yeah, or whatever that is. Mm-hmm. Okay, we'll see what happens.
All right, so, and for those of you who are interested, here are the ingredients. Water, brown sugar, tapioca starch, more starch, caramel color, natural flavor, whatever that is, and cellulose gum. Oh, look at that.
What is that?
Dun, da, da, da.
Oh,
How
wow.
much sugar is in that bad boy.
Nice.
But you do have 2% iron and 2% calcium.
Sweet. So me personally, for my bobas, when we order from wherever we go, I usually get no added ice because I want the most liquid as possible, tea, and no added sugar because it usually comes naturally sweetened.
Yeah, there's no... I don't know if this liquid is supposed to be concentrated tea. I don't know. Because they're just having us add milk and no tea. So whatever, we'll see.
We'll see how it comes. All right, let's get the stuff needed. We'll be back.
All right, so we're going to come over to the stove and go ahead and use my pasta faucet.
Hey.
You got it?
Yeah.
To get the water going here.
And we need to get it to a boil and then dump the bag into it, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, sounds good.
That should be enough.
Yeah.
And then I'm just going to use this middle eye right here.
The powerful eye. Okay.
All right, cool. So we're going to let that come to a boil. In the meantime, we're going to come back over here and work on the microwave version. So it says cut boba packet and place in cup. I hope I'm doing this correctly. Based on the picture, I think I am.
Pictures are good.
I don't know. They're that good in this case. All right. So here it goes. I hope I'm doing this correctly, Lord.
We'll find out, I guess, right?
All right. Place in microwave for 45 to 60 seconds. I'm going to go with, what's the halfway point? 50?
53.
Okay, yeah, sure. We're going to go with 55 seconds. And then we'll be back. And we'll see if I did this correctly or if I'm misinterpreting their instructions. Okay, so to protect my microwave, because I just cleaned it and I do not want this sugary sweet concoction to explode all over my microwave and then I have to clean it because that would suck. I am going to try to secure this as best I can.
Wrap it like a mummy.
With, with paper towel and just pray that it doesn't leach out and cause problems. So there we go. So I'm going to put it in the microwave like this. Okay, in you go, my friend. Please don't make a mess. What did I say, 55?
Yeah. All right.
All right.
We'll be right back.
All right, so we're done here. I'm going to pull this bad boy out.
Hopefully it's fully melted.
There was no explosion, so I hope this worked. And voila.
How does it look? Oh, okay.
Like so.
Does it feel warm? Like, can you feel heat?
I can't tell. I can't really tell. It
Can't really
smells
tell.
awesome.
It does smell great.
But yeah, it's fully... It's warm.
Okay, cool.
It's warm. Okay. So let's go back over here to our instructions. Okay. So here's my cup. So it says place in blah, blah, blah. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in here, I guess. Should I not? Jason, you're shaking your head no. Should I put it in last?
If I'm reading this correctly, you get a cup of ice, this, then the milk and the ice, and then that.
Then stir in contents and enjoy. No, it just says stir contents and enjoy. Whatever, that's fine. I have no problem. If you think we should hold off, then I will sit this over here. Please God, don't spill. Actually, hand me that mug again because I'm scared. I will leave this in here for the time being. We'll come back to you, sir. Let me get a cup of ice and I'll be back. All right, so we got the ice. We kind of eyeballed it. It may or may not be a cup exactly. So
it looks good.
Ice level to about right there. Okay, so now we're going to pour in 1 cup of milk.
We got this from Costco as well.
Oh, wait, 1 cup of milk is literally nothing, Jason. Because this is a cup.
Just eyeball it.
Okay. Well, no, I'll do it exactly as the instructions say. Eyeball it. But I'm just telling you, this is not a lot of liquid. See?
Okay. The water finally started to boil. There you go. So I'm just going to dump this bag in there, and it says 3 to 5 minutes, so I'll keep an eye out on it. Okay.
Okay, back to me and my mostly cleaned up mess. All right. Ice, milk, stir contents. So I'm going to add this to mine. Stir it with my straw. One little soldier left behind. Come on. Whatever. Man down. And we're just gonna use our straw. Just stir it as instructed. And here we go. That's how we're looking. It doesn't look like a lot of boba.
It does not, no.
Wait. Let me look at the picture. Look at the picture, guys.
Well, maybe it's because the
No.
cup size? I don't know.
Look at the picture.
I don't know. Maybe they're using tiny cups.
Why is it like half that cup and in mine it's like not even an inch?
Maybe they're using like 2 or 3 packets as well. I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna try it. Are you? No, I'll wait. I'll wait for you. Or you want me to try it?
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. All right. The boba's good.
Yeah? Sweet. Does it taste like tea or?
It tastes like brown sugar.
Okay.
It's good. I think you're gonna find it very sweet.
Oh, okay.
Usually when we get our boba, Jason gets no sugar, no ice.
No added sugar, yeah.
And you usually go with a black tea. And so I think you're gonna find this very sweet. It's good. I like it. I like it. I'm gonna make another packet. But the problem is if I make another packet, that'll double the sweetness.
Yeah.
And that's no bueno. Darn it. So I want more boba, but I don't want to change the flavor. So, interesting. So there's no way around that. You have to literally just make a second one.
Yep.
And this is how much I'm going to have, which is pretty puny for the size of my cup. Okay. Well, all right. Otherwise, I like it. I like it a lot.
Good.
So
I wonder if there's going to be any difference between the microwave and the stove. We'll find out in another 2 minutes. All right, we're back. It's been 5 minutes. I'm going to turn off the stovetop and get the packet of boba. Hopefully it tastes a little better, or I don't know. Maybe it's not worth doing it this long because it is more time consuming, energy consuming doing it this way. But hopefully it's worth it. Let's put it down. There we go. We need some scissors. Or you want to do it for me?
yeah, I'll cut it for you.
Careful, it might be hot, the bag. I don't know if you want to hold it like this. Is it hot? Don't burn yourself.
It's good.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Oops, I just knocked mine over.
Sacrilege.
All right, here we go.
Oh, sweet boba.
Jeez. Calm down, honey. It's gonna be okay. I'll sacrifice myself and poison test this for you.
Thank you. And please tell me if you taste anything different from yours.
The taste is the same.
Okay.
Your boba is softer.
Oh, softer. So there is a difference.
That I like.
Give it another go.
Yeah, I'm wondering if it's because they didn't cool down enough.
Hopefully the ice will cool it.
I think they're softer. You can try and tell me what you think.
Agreed. Yeah. So the boba made from the stovetop are definitely softer compared to the ones made from the microwave. It might be because it was in there for a shorter time period or the heat wise, but there is a difference. Tastes exactly the same. You're right. It's just the texture of the boba. So this is great. I love this actually. I know it's super sweet, but you can cut it with more milk.
Yeah, that's what I did. Like I filled mine up with milk because it was really sweet.
And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add more milk. But I mean, would you get this again, honey?
Mm-hmm.
If Costco kills it.
We're gonna stock up on these
Oh, sweet. All right.
because I mean, you freeze them and they're good for 2 years. We're about to buy a crap ton. Yeah.
So it's a win.
It's
Definitely
a big
recommend
win.
it to a friend.
Absolutely.
Buying it again.
Absolutely.
So what was this again?
This is the Boba Bam Instant Boba Pack in the brown sugar flavor. 12 packs with straws from Costco. $13 to $14, más o menos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave comments, questions, recommendations down below. And thank you so much for joining us on this episode of Honest Try TV. Bye, guys.
Bye.